Imagine if minutes from now you could set up your own domain registration platform and get paid every time someone browses your shop or registers a domain. And you could do it all today while canceling your own GoDaddy and Namecheap domain renewals, all thanks to a revolutionary new app called Proteus. Proteus lets you create your very own domain registrar platform and start selling as many domains as you could dream of. It's all done with the power of AI, and get this, new for March 2025. The AI does domain research for you, getting you cheap domains in high-priced niches. The AI finds you millions of done-for-you targeted business leads for those domains. The AI writes to these leads on your behalf, promoting sales of rock-bottom domain prices. The AI closes the sale, gets you paid, then generates lists of further domain names ideas to upsell your customers on the checkout page. All done on autopilot. So, unlike other domain platforms, this one actually gives you red-hot traffic and finds you customers too. It's all automated. You get your own platform set up for you and customers can purchase from there. You can even set any prices you want to. When you get an order, the system automatically registers the domain, pays the rock-bottom registration fee, then sends you the difference. You can further monetize your domain shop with banner ads, affiliate offers, or by selling your own services like hosting, SEO, etc. And of course, you can use it for yourself free of charge too. Guess what? It even lets you upsell hosting packs to your customers that you can then get at no cost to yourself. Starting your own domain service has never been easier. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface and insert your payment details. Step 2. Your own domain shop is set up for you and sales automatically handled by the system, all fully hosted with no expense. Step 3. Get paid anytime someone registers a domain from your shop plus monetize with ads, affiliate offers, and own services. And get this, Proteus will also set up DNS name servers for you whenever you get a new domain name, meaning there's no restriction anymore between you and getting your dream website and domain up and running in minutes. And with zero cost too. How cool is that? Listen, you probably already own a few domain names yourself. I know I have over 50 of them. Buying them from GoDaddy or Namecheap is always a headache, with non-stop upsells and paying 3 to 4 times more when renewing them a year later. And along with you, so are over 350 million other people experiencing this. Yes, 350 million active domain subscriptions renewing each and every year. It's such a huge market, it's just mind-boggling. Now imagine being able not just to cancel your own domain subscriptions for good, while starting selling domains at rock-bottom prices, much lower than GoDaddy or Namecheap. Proteus lets you do it all, and it's AI-based. So once you configure it in the beginning, you really don't need to do anything else. That's right. Get ready to have your very own domain shop where you can. Auto-add millions of domains from every TLD, including .com, .net, .org, etc. Sell unlimited domains and get paid for every sale. Register domain names for yourself and only pay the rock-bottom registration fee. Monetize further with ads, upsell offers, affiliate products or services. Unlimited traffic built in. No need to get any traffic yourself. Blazing fast hosting included. Your domain shop has 99.9% guaranteed uptime. Free SSL encryption included. And brand new for March 2025. 99 plus premium AIs built right into Proteus to help you with domain research, registration, website setup, hosting, design, content generation, finding leads, writing to customers, closing sales, you name it. I'm talking about the brand new video maker Sora AI, the brand new DeepSeek chatbot, ChatGPT 4o3 Mini Pro, Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E 3 HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Leonardo AI Pro Plan, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3.1, plus 89 additional premium AIs, all integrated within our Proteus domain registrar. Just how good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Many others have already picked up Proteus and are earning like crazy. I mean, hundreds of sales every week with close to zero work. That's the good life. Proteus is the next big step in the domain registration business and the next big step for you in your online business. The only problem? This limited release discount price is only available for the next few hours, so hurry and get started by clicking the buy button on this page. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out, so go ahead right now and secure your Proteus access today.